केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा हर टेस्ट का, हर फैशन का प्रोडक्ट एक ही छत के नीचे, ताकि आपको अपना व्यापार करने में आसानी हो। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करके कपड़ों के कामयाब व्यापारी बनिए।
Hello dear friends, welcome back to the Kesaria Textile Company. Today's video is going to be special guys, because many of our customers or many of our viewers, they are telling that you showing some of the repeated pieces in all the videos. For them I have to say guys that because of the rush of customers, we have to attend those customers, we have to explaining the products to those customers. For that kind of the rush will be there, and that kind of the disarrangement will be there in our products. So that's why some of the products gonna be repeated. But today's video gonna be special guys, because yeah, one of the primarily selected product by customers today I'm going to showcasing you, which are highly selling and highly categorized and one of the liking products by customers. That kind of the concept I'm going to showcasing in today's video. So guys, particular we are standing in today's kurtis collections. One by one I am showcasing you some of the unique and beautiful collections in kurtis which are selected by our customer guys, yeah, which are highly reselling. And first of all are will be coming in two pieces with bottom wear. Like we are also having tunic kind of concepts, and we are also having along with the dupattas kind of concept also, like three piece, that kind of many of the varieties we'll having. But today's video it's only having in two pieces. All the varieties I'm going to showcasing you, you're going to be liking. Please take the screenshot, and any of the query you will be have, then you can know and call the screen available number. First of all, in my hand you will be getting in these kind of the variety, you're going to be getting C, beautiful flowered V color kind of neck concept you're going to be having, and some of the unique pattern also you're going to be getting here. See, and apart from that, same contrasting designing bottom wear also you will be getting. And let me guys talking about the ranges, I'm not, it's difficult to remember all the ranges, particular talking about the kurtis or any of the product, it's difficult to remember all the ranges. For that I have to just say only the starting ranges and some of the approximate idea ranges. Like starting range of our kurti will be 89, 115, 100, 200, 150, 300, 400, 500 till it goes to 1500. That kind of the heavy ranges and heavy beautiful articles in our kurtis collections will be also we are having. But today's video I'm going to showcasing you some of the unique collections. Like see, in these kind of the beautiful sequenced work and some of the multicolor threaded work, and in these kind of the variety you're going to be getting, I see. And the same beautiful contrasting designing of flowers you're going to be getting in bottom wear also guys. See, these kind of the bottom wear kind of concept you're going to be getting. And guys, for you these kind of the same items, same design, same color, same size, all you will be get like 4 pieces or 5 pieces or 50 pieces or 60 pieces as per your order. So no need to worry about the product or any of the ranges guys. See, first of all in my hand, next variety you're going to be getting in this kind of the variety. Yeah guys, with the tag of our Kesaria Textile Company, you're going to be noticing some of these kind of the variety. Like this one getting all the new premiumly design guys. See, the same only because some of the unique variety, same contrasting designing is also available in the bottom wear also guys. See, next variety I'm going to showcasing you. See guys, in these kind of the beautiful multicolored threaded work with the silver jaried work also, and some of the white color, some of the multicolored threaded work also guys. See, in these kind of the beautiful design and some of the beautiful printed designs also you're going to be getting. And apart from that, contrasting same and simple contrasting designable colored bottom wear also you will be getting here. Next variety, yeah, this purposefully I am going to showcasing you all are some of the rich and some of the occasional kind of concept guys you want to be getting. See guys, next variety with the beautiful concept or pattern newly arrived in some of the these kind of the kurtas, like golden jaried work you want to be getting with the branding of our Kesaria Textile Company you will be getting guys. See, in these kind of the designs. And apart from that, the same beautiful designed bottom wear also you will be getting here only. See guys, in this kind of the variety you will be getting. See guys, in this kind of the beautiful bottom wear you want to be getting guys. And apart from that, many of the varieties I'm going to showcasing you, this all are come at the range between to 300 to 500, 700,000. That kind of the ranges. I'm just giving only the idea. You have to call the screen available number to get all the fully details about our product. Next variety I'm gonna showcasing you like these kind of the variety. See guys, fully silver jewelry work and some of the you're gonna be necking and these kind of the beautiful flower design product you're gonna be getting guys. See, and apart from that, these kind of the beautiful bottom wear also you're gonna be getting guys. See, in this also same beautiful designs you're gonna be getting. And let me tell you guys, these are all highly reselling. That watch in which I'm gonna showcasing you, but many of our customers are there, they are not able to come here and visit our company. For them we provide video call facility also. On that video call facility, the same product I'm showing on this video, or we're gonna be showing in our phone through the medium of WhatsApp. On that, the same photo with the same video calling, on whichever the same concept you're gonna be selected, the same exact product will be delivered at your doorstep. So no need to worry about any of the mislead activities guys. See guys, in these kind of the beautiful kind of concept, see guys, one and final you're going to be getting these kind of the multicolor threading work you're going to be getting. See, beautiful concept. And apart from that, the contrasting designing bottom wear also you're going to be getting guys. See, in these kind of the beautiful concept. Now, last but not the least, I'm going to showcasing variety. See guys, many of the customers are arrived guys, like Mauritius, Australia. I'm repeating those countries towards many of the time because we are highly, they are doing some of the high purchases in these kind of the abroad countries guys. Yeah, they're doing the purchase of Indian 50 lakhs rupees. Some of them they're doing like 20 lakhs, like 30 lakhs. That kind of the investment they are doing in these kind of the our textile industry guys. They are come here and purchasing from our Kesaria Textile Company because they will not need to go 10 to 15 different shops. All the complete women's ladies wear category, 20 to 25 ladies wear category, you will be get at under one roof guys, which you name it Kesaria Textile Company. So for that process, it's the first choice all of our abroad countries investors. See, in these kind of the variety, bottom wear also you will be getting. So guys, in this video, that's all. Many of the varieties you're going to be getting, see, and I'm showed, and any of the concept you're going to be like, then you have to then, and let me tell you guys, don't hesitate to call the screen available number. Yeah, it's one of our online sales executive number, and there will be not any kind of the forcement. If you're not interested to do purchase, then also it's okay. You have to just call the screen available number for if you want to like to know about our company and how it's gonna be performed. So guys, till in this video, that's all. Please give your precious opinion, reviews or feedbacks in our comment section. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की मुहिम है कि वो बनाएंगे आपको कपड़ों का कामयाब व्यापारी। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल से जुड़िए अगर आप एक्स्ट्रा इनकम चाहते हैं। आप नौकरी करते हैं, आप हाउसवाइफ हैं, आपकी दुकान है या कोई बुटीक चलाते हैं या फिर रिटायर्ड पर्सन है, अगर आप व्यापार करना चाहते हैं तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल से जुड़िए। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा हर टेस्ट का, हर फैशन का प्रोडक्ट एक ही छत के नीचे। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा वाइडेस्ट रेंज, उम्दा क्वालिटी, बेस्ट प्राइस, ट्रांसपेरेंट व्यवहार और इफेक्टिव आफ्टर सेल सर्विस। अगर आपकी शॉप है, बुटीक है, आप घर से कपड़ों का व्यापार कर रहे हैं तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपकी मदद करेगा आपके व्यापार को दुगुना, तिगुना या फिर चौगुना करने। तो यदि आप केसरिया टेक्सटाइल्स के साथ व्यापार करना चाहते हैं तो उन्हें फोन कीजिए या फिर विजिट कीजिए केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की सूरत मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करके कपड़ों के कामयाब व्यापारी बने।
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम।